What's up, guys? You know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP, the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got 2004 Ford Mustang with the Mach 460 system. I'm going to show you how to take this factory radio out and install your own. If these are the things that you're into, please consider subscribing or following. These are the things that we do here at the channel. Anything car audio or install related, that's what the channel is about. Now, usually some of your Ford radios will have two holes on each side, and you will need a set of Ford keys to push inside those holes, bend it out, and pull this out. But this is not the case. We're going to have to take some of these panels off, but it's only two panels. So the first panel that we have to take off is the one that's around the shifter. Since this car is older, we definitely want to be careful. We have one harness that's in the back for the cigarette lighter, so we just unplug that. Now that we have that off, we want to go ahead and pull up on the dash from the bottom to release some of those clips that's holding in that pressure. There's three harnesses down here at the bottom. That's going to give us that piece. And lastly, we just have two 7mm screws that we need to take out. And there's that factory radio. Alright, so the radio that we're putting in is a DMX 9708S. This is a Kenwood radio. This is a shallow mount chassis, so it's going to be good for having a lot of space behind there. It does have a HDMI and USB-C port right here at the back. You're going to have to take this small screw off and plug it in. That way it's locked in. I really do like that feature. 4 different camera outputs on this one, on top of a rear cam output. 3 sets of 4-volt RCAs. It does have GPS, both wired and wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is a iDataLink Maestro RR ready radio. So if you have a vehicle where, even though this is an 04 Mustang, this is a 2015 where the AC and the heated seats and all that stuff was in the radio, when we take that out, we can retain all of those things with this radio right here. This also has Sirius XM ready. You can put the Kenwood dash cam on this one. Not only is a high resolution radio, it's high res audio wireless ready. So really do like this unit. This is the dash kit that we're using. It's going to come in 3 different pieces. You just want to slide the right one in, slide that in like that. And do the same thing for the left. You have these 2 slots right here. You just want to put that right in there. Those 2 will line up. Slide that in front of the radio. And then the screws that came with the radio, we're going to put 2 on each side. And that's what we're looking like right here. Now, it does come with this little piece. It's supposed to mount on the back of the radio to kind of give you a little bit more support, but on these newer style radios, there are no little centered screw to where we can mount these, so probably not going to use that part. So we are going to be using the standard 5521 harness for this Ford Mustang. There's not anything too crazy about wiring up this radio harness, other than it does have the Mach 460 system. Since this has that digital amplifier, it is a 6-volt amplifier and not a 12-volt amplifier. With that being said, we have to make sure that we install a 12-volt to 6-volt converter. That way, when we turn the factory amplifier on with our 12-volt output coming from our aftermarket radio, we don't get a loud pop.
So we want to pre-cut all the heat shrink and put them over the wires first. Then we need to start twisting our wires together. With this 12 volt to 6 volt converter, we have a blue with the white stripe, blue with the red stripe, and a black. The black is going to go to ground. The blue with the white stripe is going to go to our 12 volt turn on from the radio, and the blue with the red stripe is going to output 6 volts when it needs to go to the remote turn on the factory side. Next, we're going to line up all these wires on our soldering station that we got from baseaholics.com, which is going to make it easier for us to solder every single wire at one pass. Then we slide our heat shrink on and then heat shrink all the wires. And then we're going to zip tie our wire harness just to kind of clean it up and keep everything together. Now, at this channel, at this point, we have over 400 something videos of installing radios. And I don't want to go over the wiring every single time, because as long as you understand what the aftermarket wire colors are, it's pretty much the exact same. But if you don't understand what those wire colors are, or this is your first time getting into car audio and you want more detail, I have made the Introduction to Car Audio ebook volume 1, going over car stereos, where we go over wiring, we go over connections, some things to look out for, some troubleshooting tips, and some pro installer tips for you guys. And you can find this at the website. And at this time, I would like to thank anybody that chooses to support the channel, whether you guys hit those links and get those products from me that's down there in the description, you guys sign up for the Patreon or the fan subscription that's on the website, or if you give one of my videos a super thanks, all that goes along with me, and I greatly appreciate it. And this is what the install looks like when it's all said and done. If you find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.